Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw Lycanroc Dusk form from Pokemon Sword and Shield. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm going to draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm gonna draw the line of his snout. So I'm gonna draw a curved line down and I'm gonna slightly turn it to the left. And at the front of the snout, I'm gonna make a semicircle turn down. I'm gonna turn it upwards diagonally to the right, back down, and back up to the right side of the mouth. And I'm gonna make another turn diagonally down. Now for the lower part of the mouth, I'm gonna take this point and draw a semicircle line to the right and turn it, extend it to the right side right there. Now going back to this point, I'm gonna extend this line slightly upwards, and at the side of that I'm gonna draw a semicircle line downwards towards the side of his snout, and inside of that space I'm gonna draw a diagonal line at this corner right here, and at the outer corner I'm gonna draw another semicircle line right there and another semicircle line in the middle of the eye. And at the tip of the snout, I'm gonna draw his nose with a triangular shape right there. In the middle of the eye, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line right there, turn it back down on the right side, and then I'm gonna make a turn upwards with a curved line, turn to the right and downwards to the side of his cheek and slightly to the left at that point right there. Then I'm gonna make a sharp turn down and to the side, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up, and we're gonna repeat the same shape on the right side right there, bigger one and a smaller one above it, and extend it to the side of his ear. So at this point I'm gonna draw a triangle shape upwards and turn it back down right there, and inside of the ear I'm gonna draw another triangle shape like that. And at the tip of the ear, I'm gonna add a diagonal line from this point to the tip of the inner triangle and back down to the right side. I'm gonna draw the right eye. I'm gonna draw a diagonal line from this point to the right and up, and a circular line below that, across, back up. And in the middle of that, I'm gonna draw another circular shape right there and a triangle shape in the middle, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. From the base of the ear, I'm gonna draw a curved line right here to the front of his face right there. Then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up to that point. I'm gonna draw another spiky shape from this corner with the curved line out, sharp turn back in to the side of his ear right there. And then I'm gonna draw another spiky shape at the top point right here. And again, and another one at this corner. And behind the head, I'm gonna draw some triangular shape at this corner, 2 of them. And from this side here, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line upwards to the back. And I'm gonna make a sharp turn back down to this other side. And at the side of that, I'm gonna draw another spiky shape from this point up and back down. And a few more at the back right here to the side of his shoulder, and this one. Now from the side of his cheek, I'm gonna draw some 2 triangle shape again at this point. And a spike at the side coming out, and sharp turn back in. And below that, I'm gonna draw a few more spiky shape from this point. And turn it back up. And another one at the front right here, and I'm gonna extend this one all the way below his jaw right there. Now on the left side, I'm just gonna quickly draw a similar shape of the side of the face right here, and the ear on the left right there. And at the tip of the hair in front of his face here, I'm gonna draw a zigzag line across. And below the head at the front, I'm gonna draw from this point a curved line down, and then we're gonna make a turn diagonally to the front, and from this point we're gonna draw a curved line to the tip of his paw, turn it downwards, and sharp turn to the right. And we're gonna repeat the same shape right here at the side, and another one. And then I'm gonna extend it to the back of the paw, turn it upwards, and diagonally back with a curved line and semicircle turn at that point up to the side of his body. Now above every claw, I'm gonna draw a curved line, and I'm gonna draw some short line at this point. At this point, I'm gonna draw a curved line up, turn it to the left. Now at the side, for the other front leg, I'm gonna take this point and draw a line diagonally to the back, turn it down and downwards. And for the front part, a line down from that. And I'm gonna copy the same shape of the paw on this leg as well. And a triangle shape at this corner right here. Now for the hind leg, I'm gonna draw across from the front leg here a curved line, and from this point a curved line down, turn it to the right, and then from this point a curved line down, and I'm gonna copy the same shape of the paw again at this hind leg. And at the back here, I'm gonna extend it upwards. And I'm gonna make a turn up. And a curved line, circular line at the back. And turn it to the back of his mane. Above the knee point, I'm gonna draw some zigzag line across that point right there. And for the other hind leg, it's the same shape, so I'm gonna copy it at this point right here. And for his tail, I'm gonna take this point and draw a semicircle line up and to the back. And then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back to the left. I'm gonna take this point and draw another curved line downwards, slightly to the left, sharp turn back up, and another point right there down, slightly to the left. And then I'm gonna make a turn back to the right, and at the tip I'm gonna make a sharp turn back and another piece at the lower point right there, and a sharp turn back. And a curved line at this corner. I'm gonna add a few curved line at this point and another one here and here as well.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.